Understanding blind guess in English. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore the phrase, blind guess. This is a common expression in English, and understanding it will definitely enrich your language skills. So, let's dive in. The phrase, blind guess, refers to making a guess without any knowledge or information about the topic. It's like trying to find something in the dark. You have no clues or guidance, so your guess is completely uninformed and random. It's important to understand that this phrase is often used in situations where there's a need to make a decision or choice without having enough data. Let's look at some examples to understand how blind guess is used. 1. In a quiz, I didn't study for the quiz, so I had to make a blind guess for most of the questions. 2. In everyday decisions, choosing a gift for Mark was a blind guess. I have no idea what he likes. These examples show that a blind guess is made in situations of uncertainty, where the guesser is unsure or lacks information. The phrase can be used in various contexts. Academic, when students are unsure about an answer. Professional, in business, when making a decision without full market data. Personal, in everyday life, when making choices without all the details. In each context, the essence of making a guess in the absence of clear information remains the same. And that's all about blind guess. Remember, it's all about making a decision without sufficient information. I hope this video has been helpful in understanding this interesting English phrase. Keep practicing, and you'll master the nuances of English in no time. See you in our next video.